Welcome to Magic Loops, the platform that makes it easy to create powerful, automated workflows using AI and custom code. No advanced programming skills required. Today, I'll guide you through how to create and run your first loop with Magic Loops in just a few steps. To get started, we'll create a loop, a simple, automated workflow that executes tasks based on your prompt. Click Create New Loop on your dashboard, and let's walk through an example. Here I'll type in my prompt, "Send me an email every morning at 8 a.m. with the latest tech news." Magic Loops will now break this down into blocks, or individual tasks. As you can see, it automatically sets up a time trigger to send the email at 8 a.m., a scrape block to pull tech news from selected websites, an LLM or language model block to summarize the news, and an email block to send the summary to my inbox. Let's customize the scrape block. I'll choose websites like TechCrunch and Wired and set the topic as tech news. Magic Loops allows me to select or add sites to make sure I'm getting relevant content. In the LLM block, Magic Loops will use ChatGPT to summarize the articles, so I get just the highlights delivered right to my inbox. Now I'll set up the email block to send the final output to my email each morning. Just enter your email and you're all set. Once everything looks good, click Activate Loop. Magic Loops will now automatically fetch and summarize the latest tech news each morning and email it to you. Magic Loops also offers templates for popular tasks and full customization options for advanced users. You can even add new blocks to perform extra tasks, like converting the summary to JSON or saving it to a cloud service. If you'd like to see a preview, click Run Now to test your loop right away. You'll receive a sample email to make sure everything's working as expected. And that's it. With Magic Loops, you can easily automate data collection, summarization, notifications, and more. Explore templates, add customizations, and set up your own loops to automate what matters most to you.